Hi, good morning. So today we are going to be working on science. So let's go ahead and look at our calendar. So everybody pull out your calendars. And it should be in your packet. We're going to be looking at Wednesday. And so on Wednesday, we are looking at this day, the first week. It says work on worksheet. Can you hear it? So let's look at worksheet that says, can you hear it? Let's see. I believe it's this one, guys. So it says, sounds are made by vibrations. Our eardrums feel the vibrations and we hear the sounds. Some sounds are loud and some sounds are soft. So the directions, look at each picture below. If it makes a loud sound, circle it. If it makes a soft sound, cross it. So, for example, this arrow is pointing to the slippers. Is that going to be a loud sound or a soft sound? So remember, if it makes a loud sound, you circle it. If it makes a soft sound, you cross it. Okay, so what are you going to do for this one? Great! It makes a soft sound. So in this case, you would have to cross it out. Oops, sorry, that didn't work out. You would have to cross it out. And then you're going to do that for everything, so on and so forth. So you have a loudspeaker, you have an alarm clock, you have a dinosaur, a T-Rex, you have a kitten, you have a hammer hitting a nail, you have a bee buzzing, you have fireworks, and somebody sweeping the floor. So answer these questions. It's going to be very short and sweet, to the point. And once you are done, please submit a picture of your final assignment so that you can get a grade. If you have any questions, feel free to text or email me. Good luck!